In this video, we're going to explore the progression of a number line in pre-kindergarten through second grade, the primary grades. Well, when students first come to us, they begin to learn that each number has a number name, and they should come in an order where 2 is always before 3 and 3 is always after 2. Here, students begin to see that each square represents a number. So as we begin to build this understanding of a number line, we want to make sure that we explore this idea through a number path. This is a really big concrete model that we often miss with our earliest learners. Then, as students begin to explore this idea of a number path, we gradually progress to this idea of a partition number line, where we remove the individual squares and we now look at it through a lineal model. Here, where now each number can be counted, and here we get to the number 5. Then, instead of using those individual increments of 1 and counting by 1, we now begin to use benchmark numbers, where here we might remove the 1, 2, 3, and 4, maybe just using 5, 10, 15, 20, or 25, 50, 75, and 100. And students can see where those individual increments fall within each of the benchmarks. And this understanding is scalable through all numbers. So as students are working through this progression of a number line through a number path partition number line and benchmark number line, we now explore what this looks like with operations of numbers. And here is where we'll use an open number line as we add 8 plus 9. Here you can see that what we're going to do is going to use the associative property to associate. We associate 2 from the 9, we give it to the 8 to make 10, and we add the additional 7 that gets us to 17. Just like we did with the earlier number lines, we'll show how this understanding of the associative property is scalable through the use of the tool of the number line. So here we're going to associate 15 from the 75, give it to the 185 to make 200, and then we add the additional 50 to get us to 260. It's this idea of the properties that is scalable, and it's a tool of the number line that allows us to make sense of these properties through a visual model. And here we'll show that this can look like if we explore a number line through the operation of subtraction. As we subtract 325 minus 116, we remove and count back 100. That gives us to 225. We take that 16 and make jumps of 10, then 5. Then we subtract that remaining 1, which gets us to 209. And there we can see how we progressed using the number line.